Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to bling out your body spray bottles, guys. I thought it would be such a cute idea to do, whether you want to give it as a gift or keep it for you, sell them, whatever it is you want to do. I think it's going to look super cute. Just stay tuned for the final results, guys. So I am going to be blinging out the actual lid of the bottle and the edges around the bottle because I still want to be able to see the logo and the design, depending on the bottle also, what you're going to want to do for the actual bottle, but I am doing the whole lid. So you can do this for your Victoria's Secret body sprays, your pink body sprays, whatever type of body spray you want, guys. It's going to be the same thing pretty much. So like I said, you can do it for your big bottles like this one. It is also Bath and Body Works. And then I'm just going to do it on the little one so you guys can get the idea. You know what I mean? So let's begin. These are the rhinestones I'm going to be using. It is going to be a size SS20 cyan, a red color. I am also going to be using Gorilla Clear Grip Glue. You can use 𝓭𝓸𝓻 if that's what you have. I have my pickup tool and a napkin ready to go in case I have to wipe off any excess glue. So I'm going to go straight in and start on the top of the lid, doing a nice thin layer of glue all the way around. That's going to be my first section. I'm going to do row per row, which is going to be kind of a circle, as you can see right there. Be very careful. If you need help with the glue, go ahead and use a toothpick like you guys have seen me do before in previous videos to help you guide the glue. If it's too much glue, you can remove it just to help you out if you are a beginner. So as you can see, I am going ahead and using my SS20 rhinestones going all around that glue line. Okay, I am just going to be using SS20s. I'm not using any other sizes. I did not need to. I didn't have any gaps or anything like that. So just going straight in all the way around. And after that, I'm just going to continue doing circles in the middle until I get to the center, row per row, because I don't want my glue to dry out. If I just add glue, all over the lid, it's not going to give you enough time to work with. So row per row, you guys are going to see me do it in a bit once I am done with this row. Once I am done, I did go ahead and double check my work, as you guys can see, and I did see I had a little bit of gaps in between them, so I did unite them all together closer, and I was able to fit one more rhinestone in there. And that is also a reason why I do smaller sections, so I have time to move stuff around if I need to. And there you guys go. And that is my first row. Double check it. And now I'm going to do my second inner row. Once again, applying my glue in a circle. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry, guys, but hopefully you guys get the point. And I'm going to do the same exact thing, going all the way around with my rhinestones. Same thing, guys. Make sure they're close together. And that's my second row, guys. Look at that. It's coming together. Like I said, this is a super, super easy and quick project, guys. It does not take that long. Again, right there, it is pretty small, so I did go ahead and add glue to the whole thing in the middle. And then same thing, just going circle by circle of rhinestones until I get to the middle. Make sure to double check your work. Make sure they're not overlapping or going over the edge of the lid. And then for the middle part, guys, there was only space for 3, so that's what I did. I am done with the upper part of the lid. I did take a screenshot and I put in each row how many rhinestones I use for the lid, just to help you guys out in case you need to. So you can pause the video right there. So this is how the lid looks so far. I'm going to go ahead and bling out the rest of the lid now. Doing the same thing, I am actually going to go row per row here, working my way from the top to the bottom of the lid. Okay, I'm gonna do a nice thin row of glue all the way around. As you guys can see there, I'm going very carefully. Like I said, you can use a toothpick to guide the glue if you need help with that. And then, like I said, just one row, so I have enough time to bling it out without my glue drying. And I'm gonna use my SS20s to do that whole line. For the rest of the lid, I am gonna do a honeycomb look. So I'm gonna do my first row, and then once I start my second one, you guys are gonna see how that honeycomb is going to be done all the way around. Make sure your rhinestones are nicely close together but not overlapping, and that they stay nice and straight all the way around. So I am just finishing up my first row. I'm double checking and make sure all my rhinestones are aligned. This is how it looks so far. I'm gonna go ahead and start my second row, but I am flipping it over because I don't want my rhinestones falling down. You know, I kind of want them to stay straight, so that's gonna kind of help it in a way. Still double check your work, guys. Check on your rhinestones every once in a while because you do want to make sure that you know they're still straight. And as you can see here, I am starting my second row. I already added my row of glue. I'm moving on, guys, doing the same exact thing, adding row per row of glue and my rows of rhinestones. So right there, that is the honeycomb I am talking about. You can see kind of how they look overlapping each other. That is exactly what I'm talking about. So that is the honeycomb look. It looks just like a bee's honeycomb. Okay. And the rhinestones do fit perfectly all the way around, guys. That's why I'm only using SS20. Like I said, this is for the Bath & Body Works mini size bottles, okay? It could differ per bottle, okay? Just FYI. And then right there at the end, I did add glue for 2 rows, guys. And I just finished it up real quickly and easy, guys, as you can see right there. They fit perfectly all the way around. I'm gonna double check my work, and this is it, guys. Look how beautiful that lid looks. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the edges that I told you that I would do on the actual bottle, just to give it another bit of more bling, you know. Like I said, I don't want to take away from the design in the middle because it looks super cute already. That's why I'm only doing the empty edges. Same thing, guys. Do a nice thin line of glue all the way around on both sides. You guys are going to see me do the bottom side in a bit. And just go in with your line of rhinestones. Another quick little tip, guys, is you can tilt your bottle to the side like I am doing right here, so you can see that that line is straight, guys. You get a better glance at it, a better look. Just a little FYI tip, okay? So you guys see me finishing up this line. I'm gonna double check it all the way around, and then I'm gonna do the same exact thing at the bottom. Look how cute it looks already, guys. Super cute DIY. Add my glue all the way around, and then add my rhinestones. So like I said, this is a super cute, easy DIY, guys. It makes it look way much cuter. It's such a cute gift just for yourself, you know. Super, super cute, guys. I love how it came out. I will definitely be doing this more often to my bottles. My daughter loved it also. But yeah, look how cute it looks. I'm going to let this completely dry, guys, and I'll show you guys the final results in a bit. So this is how it looks, guys. Look how cute it looks, guys, with the red rhinestones, guys. It takes it to a whole nother level. I love it. I love that I can save the lids and reuse them, you know, for future bottles once this one is done. Super, super cute, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a little something. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Look at this other bottle I did, guys. Super, super cute, guys. You can do it in different colors. I mean, the ideas are endless, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.